The fascinating history of dentures, from ancient civilizations to modern innovations. The term dentures, also referred to as false teeth, are used since the beginning of time to substitute missing teeth. They are essential in the restoration of functionality and appearance of your mouth. They allow people to eat, talk confidently, and smile. Dentures' history is an extensive and interesting one with numerous innovations and advancements made through all the years. In this clip, we'll explore dentures' evolution starting from the ancient times to current technology. Ancient civilizations. Dentures are used to replace missing teeth. They date from the time of ancient civilizations, which was when people utilized various substances for creating prosthetic teeth. The Etruscans were an ancient civilization located in Italy, was famous for using animals or human teeth that were joined by gold bands. In the early days of Egypt, archaeologists have discovered evidence of dentures made from wood dating from 1500 BC. The first dentures were typically made of bone or ivory and held by gold wires. The Romans also tried dentures that were made of a mix of animal and human teeth. But it was Old Chinese that made major advancements in the field of denture design. They utilized bamboo, ivory as well as silver to make dentures that were remarkably similar to natural teeth. The Chinese are believed to have invented the first set of complete dentures around the 16th century. The Middle Ages. In the Middle Ages, dentures became more popular as people began exploring different options to make their dental prosthetics. Bone, ivory, as well as animal teeth were frequently employed. However, these types of materials are prone to wear and decay. The 18th century was when dentists started experimenting with porcelain to create a stronger and realistic material for dentures. But it was also delicate and prone to cracking and brittle, which made it unsuitable to use in everyday life. Modern innovations. The 19th century saw important advancements in the field of denture technology and denture manufacturing, including the use of vulcanized rubber as the basis material for dentures. The new material changed how dentures were created and allowed to provide a better fit and a natural look. The invention of acrylic resin during the 20th century also enhanced the aesthetics and durability of dentures, making them easily accessible to a greater number of patients. Dentures today are created using the most advanced materials and techniques that include digital imaging as well as 3D printing. This has led to better quality and custom dentures that are securely fitted into the mouth and closely mimic the natural teeth. Dentists are now able to create real-looking and functional dentures that enhance the life quality of those who have missing teeth. The history of dentures bears witness to the human spirit and ingenuity. From ancient times, when people initially experimented with prosthetics and modern advances in technology and materials, dentures have made significant progress. Dentures today are essential to improving the aesthetics and function of your mouth. They allow people to eat, talk confidently, and smile. Dentures' future looks promising with the constant advancement in the use of materials and methods which will enhance the comfort and quality of these vital dental prosthetics.